Alright, so in this never-ending saga of the Ford Baler, so every one of these bolts on the slip clutch were bent to crap, and I busted one in the field. So, and they were completely tightened down. So I don't know how to get this apart, but
Here,
I don't know.
hold on.
Well, there, it kind of came apart.
More?
Well, I guess. I don't know what we're doing.
I don't either. That's part of the adventure. That's coming.
Okay. Alright, so now this is what we're dealing with.
I'm guessing that's some sort of a brake.
Yeah, this is your
Their slip.
slip.